Hello, I'm Pramod02 and I'm currently pursuing BTech final year in Bennett University, Greater Noida. So this video is about my experience as a part of my final year in industry internship in Rubicon Red, Hyderabad. I have actually worked in integration field of Rubicon Red, and to introduce the company, Rubicon Red is actually it is a integration solution provider. It's a Australian-based MNC that tries to leverage the API economy to provide businesses with smart integration solutions that help them to connect with help them connect the businesses to their customers well in an creative and efficient way. So coming to integrations field, you can say in integrations it is basically creating a communication system, establishing a communication system among different components and modules in a system architecture. Like there could be many APIs, subscribers, publishers, etc., which it's basically creating an integration pathway for all of these to interact with each other without any blockades like different data formats or etc. So in our field right now, we actually had to work on a project called NGSS, which simply Next Gen Security System. It is a project of Deakin University, Australia, which they coming to background about the project is the university has a security management system already in place right now, but it is a bit old and it's quite limited right now. So they actually want to update the system into a much more modernized integrated solution. For this, they have employed the service of Rubicon Red to make it possible. So in that application, it is actually a quite big one. So at a glance, let me show you let me show you a glance of the project. Already have a basic architecture in place, which has been more updated and has been refined by the Rubicon Red architects. And what you see here is the current replacement system interfaces design. And we actually have many components in it, which it's actually a big project. So all the components have been divided to different teams in the company, and the teams work on these components along with the Deakin software team. The software team, they collaborate and they have tried to finish most of it. The complete replacement system is expected to be done by July, so it's still running. But coming to my part of the project, it is on the top right. You see there is the component of Cloud Hub. It actually has three important modules, that is images API, identity card, subscriber, and publisher. This whole component revolves around identity card, and integrating these components is the main task we have accomplished. What you see is the component I have developed for the project, and right now the MuleSoft ESB it is a integrated solution, a communication system among the different components you see on the screen. The three important components you can see are identity card publisher, identity card subscriber, and images API. The white one, you see the person image publisher has been skipped due to few technical developments. But for now, the main three components, we will discuss the main three components of the of this ESP. So starting with identity card publisher, the main publisher, what it does is it actually the main important task is to get the details of students or staff from Deakin AQ. Deakin AQ is an Oracle AQ which the Deakin University it will publish all the identity card details coming from the component connected to this one into that queue, which we have to subscribe from the publisher, which we did, and we get the details Then we transform them from its current format to a new format, which is just you can say given by the they are actually given by the specifications of to convert the format to more modernized format again. So once we do that, once we have done that, it goes we actually have to publish it to endpoint MQ, and from endpoint MQ it goes to the subscriber, and all the errors are to be published to error MQ, and the payload, entire payload is in general JSON format. So coming to images API, images API is fairly simple. It has two resources, staff images and /student images, and it requires a query parameter of student ID and staff ID, the respective ID, to fetch the details of it. We actually fetch the image. So for this one, we have to just directly take the staff image, staff ID, and we directly try to run a query in Deacon's database to get a image blob. So once we get an image blob, we directly we convert it to binary stream, then to a multi-part form, and there is the base is text, and this multi-part form has to be returned to the caller. In this case, it will be subscriber. Right. So coming to identity card subscriber, this is the most important part of this component. Actually, not most important part, but the most complicated one, and it's the central part, obviously. And as you know, once we have published the student or staff details in the active MQ from the identity card publisher, we make this subscriber subscribe to that active MQ, and whenever any student ID or details are published to the MQ, then this one subscribes, pulls the messages from it, and here the subscriber takes the student ID in it and tries to fetch the student image through images API. This subscriber uses the images API in the entire component, and student image gets staff image. Once we get the respective staff image and student image, this is mostly about updating identity card. So once we get the all the details, the image and all the publisher, student and staff details, it connects to the NGSS API, which is a central API of the security system, where all the requests are through HTTP, and it tries to get the user first, and once we get the user connection, it updates the user image and all the even if it needs to add a user card, etc. So generally, whenever the payload is published in the ActiveMQ, it actually has two main factors. There is a action component in the payload, which tells the subscriber whether it has to be detail has to be updated, or it has to be deleted, or entire new card has to be added. So coming to the challenges I faced and what I have learned in the duration of this internship, it is first of all, integration is a completely new field to me, and generally it isn't taught in engineering colleges. So this was a complete fresh experience, and I was really glad that I had joined Rubicon Red to learn this new technical field, and also I was really it was really interesting field. So I felt like I have found the field that I want to pursue. So coming to challenges, right now the situation is really bad around the world with COVID coming in, and also more coming. We don't even know how this year's gonna turn out. So, and only one good thing we thought was work from home, and of course it wasn't. Work from home turned out to be much more problematic than how normal work turns out. And jokes aside, coming to the communication, you see, as the project was simultaneously made with cooperation of the Australian Deacon team and also the Rubicon Red team. So for this we had to establish the communication from it has to be since the time due to time differences, their work completes at 12:40 and ours starts at 9. So we had to make sure from 9 to 12 we found a solution that from 9 to 12:40 it was a rush hour where we tried to work as much as possible, and after 12:40 and again from there we used to try to do the components that don't require much expertise, or you could say doesn't have many external access points. So like that, the most important bugs are an obvious challenge, and as a mule is actually a new software, so there are quite a lot of bugs with not as much community support in that you find in other softwares. So overall it was a fun experience. Our mentors were they were experts in that field, and they really guided me really well. Overall, I'm really thankful for this opportunity. I'm grateful to Rubicon Red for providing me such a good opportunity, and also thankful for my faculty or HOD Deepak Garg sir, and my mentor Sunit Gupta sir, and entire CSC faculty, CSC Bennett, for providing me support during the complete duration of internship. Thank you.